Okay, let's move on to speaking part 2. Describe a time when you helped a child.
Okay. Well, helping other is a good thing because it indicates the humanity among the people. And similarly, I have given help and received from many time on different occasion. And here I would like to talk about a situation when I help a child in my neighborhood. And I vividly remember that when I was in the 12th grade, and I helped my neighbor boy whose name was Ali, and fortunately he was studying in my school in the 7th grade, and I help him because he suffer sprain his ankle while he was playing cricket in school playground, and his mom was very worried about her situation and
His
his
situation.
situation and performance in school because our final examination was near to start. And after that I decided that to help him because it was a time when I was good in mathematics as well as
I was
science,
good at mathematics.
mathematics and science as well as English.
Okay, thank you. That's good. Just few minor grammatical
Yes.
mistakes, otherwise it's fine. Let's move on to speaking part 3. Do you like helping others?
Yes, I do. I love helping other because I find that when we help others, we entirely satisfy ourselves and we feel comfortable among the people because it indicates the humanity among all the people and boosts our stamina among and related to other peoples.
All right, this is good. They're just minor grammatical mistakes, otherwise you're fine. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.